Nope, not Rue. No way in hell she'd want to be in the water. Not happening. Nope, not at all.
Don't even do it for food.
Not even.
Duke, leave the stick. Come on. Come on. It's finally in.
Got splashy, splashy.
Duke. Go swim. Go swim.
Should make a campfire over here so we can camp and can enjoy water here.
He just swam into this big rock.
Before they're up to the mountain, the water like that. And a lot of people swimming. A lot of people. Oh, look at treasure, like a lot of people swimming.
Right, Sam? Maybe you find Rolex. You don't know. Oh, Dookie swimming. Dookie swimming. Dookie boy.
Yeah, until we go all the way in.
Mia.
All the way. I don't know how long. Here probably they make clear it up, make water rafting.
What a raft. Where?
Clear some rock up,
Oh, there's no pattern of it.
there's some down.
Oh, you went off the cliff. Oh, Samsky.
Mia, go back in. I want to
The
take
guy
a video of
come
Mia.
with the fishing rod.
Wow, it's actually really clear though.
Go swimming, Dookie. Swim on the rock.
Come here.
Dookie boy. Dookie Dookie.
But it's clear.
It's supposed to be mineral.